Welcome in a new course in Revit 2019. It's completely free from A to Z. Make subscribe and follow our videos under Revit 2019 course playlist and check other playlists also. Thank you. Let's start. In this video we'll speak about snaps. Snaps are very important in the Revit because he give you exact dimension in your work. First, if you go to Manage tab from here and click here under the settings, this is snaps. Take care. Now snaps is on. If you click here, it will be off. Take care what will happen when you make off for the snap. It will be too much. It will be easy to make your drawing. If you close the snap, it will be not easy to make your drawing. Let's check what the snap meaning. Now I make it off. I click OK. I go to Architecture tab and I need to draw any element like wall. Take care. I will click here. After this, I need to make incremental. Take care what's happened for this temporary dimension. He not give me constant number, so I can't draw it until I write the exact I need. After this, enter. Now I can draw, but take care, it's not horizontal exactly because you not have a snap. This is the meaning of snap. What you say now is this temporary dimension. When I need to make this straight, I will click shift and make like this. Okay, horizontal. I press shift now in my keyboard. If I make out, take care, I can't make straight exactly. Okay, this because I am close snap. If I make exit and go to the manage, from here I will make snap work. Now snap is work. I will, okay, take care. Now I draw without click any key. I don't press shift key now. Take care what's he happened. He gives this dotted line. This is the snap and this is extension line and this help you in the work. Take care the other thing. When you say how much he write for you, as example 900, 1000, 1100. This means he take incremental 100. Okay, if I make zoom out like this, take care what's happened. He gave not incremental 1, he gave 1000. Okay, now this how much. Take care, this how much. 5 give you 100. Make zoom out. Take care, I just make zoom out. He give me the incremental is 1000, not 100. If I make zoom in by scroll, take care, he give me how much. This 420. What's happening now? This incremental independent on what? Independent on two things. The first thing is the zoom. The other thing here is the incremental you write in here. I can add any one. If I need to make this I need to make it incremental 500. I make okay. Take care. When I go here snaps, he will make a range for it. And now when I draw, take care, the incremental 500. Okay, if I make like this, take care 1000. So snap is very important for you in this because you can make incremental value without decimal. If you have decimal, you can write it directly. Okay, like this. If I need discipline, this now this exactly. If I from here to here say exactly what I mean, but more times you not have this decimal, so the snap is most important. The other thing we will make for snap, take care, if I go to manage and make snap off, now snap not work. Take care what's happened. I need to draw wall from here to here. Take care. I can't make snap. This is the meaning of snap. Take care how I will draw. Exactly, I couldn't find this point, midpoint in the midpoint. But if you go here and make the snap, take care what's happening. Take care. This magenta color, this is what is the snap. He told you this is snap end point. End point is the end point of the element. The inside what is midpoint. Take care. This is midpoint. Okay. I need to make red tick. Take care. He write for you midpoint. If you make snap off, you can't take this exactly as you need. Okay. I can make this. The other thing we need to speak about is when you make this. Take care. There is, if you need to make inclined like this, the same thing for dimension. Temporary for the linear is the same feature for the angular. Take care, angular have the same incremental, and the incremental for angular, this angle you can write here also. Okay. From here you can make uncheck for any one from this endpoint. You can make check or uncheck, but for work for us, most of this is check all. It best thing for you. But if you need to check, you can make. The other thing we need to speak about is SE, SM, SN, and this. This is the shortcut for the project. For this, the snap. Okay, it's all of it is started by S, referring to snap, and he make endpoint E, midpoint M. But sometimes he not take the same thing, like point. He not take it. He make it SX. Okay, snap is referring for snap, but he give X for point. The video is finished. Thank you and see you in another video.